Hi guys, just following on from my last video about B&M opening till 11 p.m. There was a lot of people that wasn't aware of this. So I have a friend that works at B&M, so I took the liberty to ask her what are the opening hours of B&M. So she told me that till the 23rd of December they're open from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. until the 23rd. And after Christmas, they'll be back to their regular hours, which is until 10 p.m. They close at 10 p.m. normally, Monday to Saturday, guys. So if you've got a last-minute Christmas shopping and you need to nip to B&M, you know they're open till 11 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Hope this was helpful for people. Cheers.